welcome to my channel. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to Abacus section 1 and 2 digits, 6 rows.
Start. 7, 49, 9, 15, 7, 5. That is
92.
correct answer. Next question. 42, 7, 9, 94, 8, 9. That is
169.
correct answer. Next question. 86 minus 3, 23, 8, 54 minus 7. That is
161.
correct answer. Next question. 3, 14, 3, 72, 5, 71. That is
168.
correct answer. Next question. 16, 2, 2, 60, 3, 9. That is
92.
correct answer. Next question. 73 minus 5, 64, 7, 70 minus 3. That is
196.
wrong answer once again. 73 minus 5, 64, 7, 70 minus 3. That is
206.
correct answer. Next question. 2, 44, 8, 54, 3, 2. That is
113.
correct answer. 84, 7, 7, 99, 8, 7. That is
202.
next question. 72 minus 3, 66, 7, 83 minus 4. That is
221.
correct answer. Next question. 4, 13, 7, 29, 9, 4. That is
62.
wrong answer once again. 4, 13, 7, 29, 9, 4. That is
66.
correct answer. Next question. 12, 6, 5, 53, 8, 7. That is
101.
next question. 98 minus 3, 45, 3, 65 minus 2. That is
206.
correct answer. Next question. 3, 28, 9, 49, 4, 9. That is
102.
correct answer. Next question. 52, 3, 9, 65, 8, 8. That is
145.
correct answer. Next question. 69 minus 1, 82. 61 minus 9. That is
202.
correct answer. Next question. 6, 86, 7, 71, 6, 7. That is
213.
wrong answer once again. 6, 86, 7, 71, 6, 7. That is
237.
next question. 27, 9, 6, 51, 9, 9. That is
111.
correct answer. Next question. 63 minus 8, 49, 2, 76 minus 2. That is
180.
correct answer. Next question. 6, 86, 7, 71, 6, 7. That is
183.
correct answer.
Bye friends.